I'm Callie Myers. I'm a fellow here at CMM, and I was studying creating a workshop actually for teenagers and parents to create more mindful communication and to also work on a social video project. And I think I was drawn to CMM because some of the stuff I did naturally in my practice as a mental health clinician. And you know, in our field in community psychology, we always talk about empowerment. And I think that this is really what empowerment is, looking at patterns, looking at your stories and creating new stories. It's like a blend of narrative, empowerment, and community for me, which is something that I really connect to. And then the other thing that I have just reflected on at this conference is how genuine people are here, and also how they kind of talk the talk and walk the walk of what they're studying, and we're so welcoming and open to dialogue. So that's what I've appreciated so far.